This is a 2017 NX200t. I wanted to show you the door handle, illuminated door handles at nighttime. And not only are the door handles are illuminated, but also the floor on the ground where you step in right before you get into the NX are also illuminated. And I'll show you how that works. I have the key. As long as you have the key with you and you walk next to the car or you get closer to the vehicle, about an arm's reach, the lights are illuminated. Okay, and you will see this as I get closer. So that is what I am talking about, illuminated door handles. Now there's a little light back here. See that little light? They're all on all four doors. So I'm gonna walk away and then lights dim. But you see the floor, the ground, like right back here, it's dimming right now, but we're gonna go ahead and look that so that way you get to see how bright it gets. Right about now. All right, here we go. See that? That is really cool. All right, this is Mod Roleplay with modroleplaycars.com and Lindsay Lexus. If you are interested in seeing NX200t, you live in the Northern Virginia, Maryland, and DC area, shoot me an email, call, send me a text, and appreciate any feedback, comments. Yeah, right there. That is nice. Now just see how dark it is really here in comparison. You see that? Talk to you guys later.